Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. Today or tonight, we are going to make 1 kg of beef. What kind of beef is this? Anyway, it's 1 kg, and I'm going to make a homemade burger, hamburger. It's hamburger. And what are the things what are the ingredients that we need aside from, of course, the basic one is the beef, 1 kg. We have the turnip or the singkamas, okay, and a piece of onion, and then 1 carrot, 1 egg, and our Maggi Magic sarap. And of course, we need some, is it a brown pepper or white pepper? And salt to taste. And the knife that we need, this kind of knife and this knife. Okay. And what do you call this, Gavin? My cameraman is Gavin, the grater. And of course, this, what do you call this ang kalan in English?
St. Helen.
St. Helen. It's called,
The butcher's St. Helen.
no, it's board.
Butcher's board.
Not a butcher's board.
Because
It's a board.
you have this.
Okay. Enough, Gavin. Don't play. We're gonna start now. Okay. All the things that we need are here. All the ingredients. So we're gonna cut off for a while because I'm going to peel all these, and I'm going to chop this onion, and of course I'm going to grate this carrots, and I'm going to grate this turnip, and I'm going to beat the egg and put it together with the beef. Okay? With all these stuff inside. Okay?
Yay.
Gavin, you don't have to do that. Just make the camera in one.